brain, and this deep cut is the deeper brain, or deeper picture
Page
is that
that's
one.
89.
Yep.
Okay.
Alright, that's just for reference.
Okay.
Okay. This line right in the middle. Oh, I think I kind of ripped it off. Well, there should be a line here. That is the corpus callosum. It separates the two hemispheres. Sorry. Corpus callosum. This. Sorry. Like almond. Yeah. Almond shaped. However you want to call it. That's the hippocampus. This ugly colored material right here.
Yes.
That is the choroid plexus. I would know that. See, it's like kind of dark red. It's an ugly. It just looks weird. It's here too. Right here. It's on both sides of the brain. Hippocampus, corpus striatum. Above the hippocampus is the fornix. Right here. So where this kind of nut ends, fornix. And if you look up here, there's like another structure here. That's the corpus striatum.
Okay.
I want to flip back and forth to these because a lot of structures in here are in here, but they're in a different location.
Okay.
Now, remember the fornix was here? And this, the fornix is right up here.
Okay.
Remember that. And the way you can tell where the fornix is, see here, you don't see anything here. In the deeper cut, you see these three balls. So if you see these three deeper balls, that means the fornix should definitely be up here.
Okay.
Superior colliculus, pineal body, right here. And then connected to the pineal body is this thing right here. It kind of splits right here.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm not sure if you can really tell. Yeah, right there.
Yeah.
It splits in like a track. That's the habenular trigone,
Okay.
right here.
Yes.
This is the massa intermedia. Massive, big. Now this is the thalamus. Now, you probably would have thought this was the hippocampus. The hippocampus in the deeper cut is down here. The hippocampus in the higher up cut was right here.
Okay.
Hippocampus, thalamus, hippocampus. These are the hippocampus right here. Oh, corpus striatum. That's what this little gray material was right here. Right here. White matter, gray matter. I think it's the easiest part.
Sure. Which one's the hypothalamus and which one's the thalamus?
There was no hypothalamus. It's hippocampus.
Oh, the hippocampus.
Yeah. Hippocampus is this nut-shaped thing. Here. Higher up cut is this one. Deeper cut's that. Hippocampus. Hippocampus.
The hippocampus is above the thalamus in this one?
Yeah, if you were to put this on, the hippocampus is above. When you cut it further down, that's the thalamus. Hippocampus is right here. Fornix. Fornix. Superior colliculus. So you can't see it here. When you cut deeper, it's down here.
So it's those two.
You look for these, and that's how you know where the fornix would be.
And the third ball, the one in the middle, is the pineal body?
Pineal, habenular trigone, massa intermedia. It's the last one. I'm gonna go. Ready? This little flabby projection right here, that is the olfactory bulb. You cannot see the olfactory nerve because it runs through it. It's like, I guess it's in here, so you can't actually see it. The olfactory tract runs to the olfactory bulb. Now, towards the medial portion of the brain, next to the tract is the medial olfactory striae, which obviously means the lateral portion would be the lateral olfactory striae. Optic chiasm, optic nerve. Remember on that diagram over there, this is the little flabby projection that should have been there. That's the pituitary or the hypophysis. I drew this because your cat book has almost breaks this thing, it's like a grid. So you have the hypophysis right here, or the pituitary gland. And if you actually look underneath, you see a little slit-like hole.
Okay.
You guys kind of see it right in there?
Yeah.
That's the infundibulum. So pituitary, open it up inside, slit-like hole, infundibulum. Now if you were to break this into that little grid, the top portion is the tuber cinerum. The bottom portion is the mammillary body.
Oh, okay.
This is the ocular motor nerve. Nerves, I should say. Right there. For the practical, you're going to have to know where the nerves are. So I would definitely take note, I guess, of where they are. So this definitely won't be asked. I can guarantee this won't be asked. This is too easy. Piriform lobes, right here. And this region right here is the cerebral pundicle. And like that other one, this bump right here is the pons, right here. Cerebral pundicle, pons, medulla. This nerve coming from down here, that is the trochlear nerve. You guys see that?
It's so tiny. Yeah, I
Yeah.
can see it. Do you want to get it over and see it?
Right in there. Okay, this brain is missing a bunch of nerves. It's missing the facial, the auditory, and trigeminal nerves. So, can't really help you there. Sorry. This nerve right here is the abducens nerve.
Okay.
Right there. And the rest are pretty easy because they're all branched. So see these three right here? Just like the cat book diagram. The top one of the three is the glossopharyngeal nerve. The middle one is the vagus nerve. And the bottom one is the spinal accessory nerve. And then obviously the last one is the hypoglossal, which is another branch of three of them. If that's not a nerve, then it's here. You just have to know it's those three here, the hypoglossals here. Other than that, that's it. I'm sorry you're missing those nerves too. I can't.
Now, could he ask about those nerves even if they aren't there?
He would have to dissect the brain himself
And find it.
and find it. And I
Okay.
can't really know if he'd do that, but